How to add Outlook email to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down the main list to find and tap on Mail. On the Mail settings screen, tap on the Mail Accounts option at the top. This is where you can manage all the email accounts connected to your device. The Mail Accounts page shows any existing accounts. To add a new one, tap on Add Account. A list of email providers appears. Select Outlook.com from this list to add your Microsoft email account. Then the official Microsoft sign-in page pops up. To complete the setup, you would need to enter your Outlook email address and password. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create a new one. Following these steps, you can easily add Outlook email on an iPhone.